Hi, welcome to our demo for how does VGG learn, an analytics platform to understand more about VGG, the convolutional neural network. My name is Ibrahim Taher, and I'm going to be taking you through this visualization. Before I start, if you want to follow along, you can go and do so at this link up here, and we ask that you do it on Google Chrome, Safari, and Microsoft Edge. So when you get to this link, you're going to get up to a landing page that's going to tell you a little more about our application and the various features of it. So I'm going to go through that myself. I'm just going to go and click on Begin Visualization at the bottom, and this is going to surface two encodings. You're going to have a scatter plot and you're going to have a bar plot. So what do these charts do? So if you can go and you can look and you can scroll around on this scatter plot itself, you can go and zoom in and zoom out. You can see all the clusters using this legend. You can see using different colors. But let's say I wanted to learn a little more about the data itself. So you can go over here and you can look at our bar plot and hover on any class that you choose. So you can also scroll all the way to the bottom and hover on any class. But let's say I wanted to learn more about some of these classes in the beginning, or more frequent classes. You can see Faces Easy 101. They're all actually very close to each other in space, even though they're in two different clusters. But let me try to confirm that. How many of these points are in cluster 1? How many of those points are in cluster 3? If I can click over here, you can see that they're about equal, but a little more points belong to cluster 1 compared to cluster 3. So you can go and hover on the Faces Easy 101, and let's scroll into the area where they might be located. We can explore here. We can see where Faces Easy 101 are. We have a few points. Let's click on this one right here. If you click on this point, you're going to get the closest neighbors of that click point, and you're going to get the classes of those neighbors. You can see next to these faces, raccoon, basketball hoop, lathe, boombox, and starfish 101 are all the points that surfaces the nearest neighbors of this class. We can do similar exercises on the different max pool layers. You can go through 9, 18, 27, and 36. You can go and click on any of these points. Let's click on one that's less frequent. You can see that they're kind of far away from each other. Click on it. You can confirm that their majority of them are in cluster 1. Some of them are in cluster 2. Go and hover on those points. And you can get the nearest neighbors of those points. Thank you.